Luis Duval, you made a very good debut in Formula E with a very good race in Miami. And now, how do you prepare this second race in the home race? Because Dragon Racing is the team of California.
I think we are well prepared. I have to say that Miami was a tough one because the amount of time we had before the race was not as much as expected, and it's something new. So you have to learn a lot about the car and the systems. But yeah, as you say here, it's a home race for Dragon Racing. We are well prepared. I have already the experience from one race. I'm sure many things can happen still. It's still a short race weekend, and the cars. You race in a city track, so many things can happen. But we are ready. We're going to do our best, and I'm sure we can have a good result here.
Which were the most big difference that you found between the drive internal combustion engine car, like hybrid, like Audi in endurance, and Formula E?
I have to say that the main thing is the weekend. How the weekend is. I mean, here you do everything the Saturday, which is really busy and really intense. That's the main thing for me. In terms of driving style, it's quite similar, I have to say, because we have to save energy. So in endurance it's fuel. Here it's about the battery, but you have to save energy. So that's for me was really to get used to it. The other thing is that we race on the city track all the time. Between the walls, which is really exciting. That's the main difference for the moment. But in terms of driving style, again, I mean, for me it was not so difficult to get used to it because endurance is quite similar.
And how do you prepare for endurance? The next race it's in a few weeks. 6 hours of Silverstone, and how do you prepare for the very good season, because there are very important teams and official teams now?
Yeah, I mean, I think we are well prepared. Actually, the race is next week, so it's I'm gonna fly back to Silverstone for the first race of the season. We saw at the prologue 1 week ago in Paul Ricard that all the car manufacturer was quite close in terms of competitivity, so I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. The cars are fantastic, they are really quick, and really, I mean, now the level of the competitors is really high. The racing drivers we can see over there, it's fantastic too, so I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun, and it seems that all the cars manufacturers are really close in terms of performance, so I'm sure also for the viewers, people on TV and people who come on the racetrack, it's going to be fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.